Hello YouTube, welcome to Homestead in Vietnam. This is DaPoorAmerican. Where did I come with that name? Well, I didn't really come up with it. That's what the local people call me. I used to be an Uber, Lyft, sidecar, Instacab driver. I was driving when it first all started. Then I just want to follow my dream doing Homestead because I always want to live off the land. I always want to farm. I couldn't do it in the United States because the land's so expensive, it's so competitive, and so much regulation, it's hard to even start. So I came here and start my farm here. I made about $5 million a month. That's equivalent to 5,000 US dollars a month. That's roughly a teacher's salary here. And I start with 500 US dollars. In exchange, roughly 10, 11 million dong. And I'm going to show you guys how to live here as an American, because there are a lot of expectations in here as an American that you have to be rich. Well, that's why they call me the poor American, because that's not what they expect for me, like every other American. But I was telling them, you know, we Americans come to Vietnam as a tourist, and we try to have a good time. We save all year just to have that money to enjoy ourselves. If they put in the same position, I'm in a small province right now, and they go to the city, are they going to go to the city and work? Or are they going to budget pennies when they go into the city? They're not going to do it. So same as like every American. But if you go home to your hometown, are you going to work your butt off? Yes, you are. The same thing as American. So for American to have a job or work in Vietnam, it's pretty much a joke to them. So that's why I do these videos, to show you guys how I did it, and hopefully a lot of you guys could do it, because there's no reference on how to do it. I had a lot of obstacles. That's why I did these videos, to show you my obstacles. Hopefully you guys don't have to go through them, and learn from it and have a good homestead. My mom, she has retired last 5 years. She's been living off of her retirement, $1,500 a month. That's pretty good 25 years ago. But right now, that's covering rent. She might have a little extra, but let's say another 5-10 years, can she live off of it? I don't think so, because a lot of people are waiting 25 years for their retirement. Is a dollar going to worth today as it going to worth 25 years later? I don't think so. So I'm going to show you guys another options for you guys like my mom that is retiring. There's other options. You go to Thailand, Philippines, India, Cambodia. There's a lot of countries out there you guys do it. But I'm in Vietnam, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it in Vietnam. These countries, your dollar worth more. You can go to these countries and make it work there. But I have no experience there. I just have my experience here. So it's going to be a rough ride, and hopefully you guys are going to ride with me, and I'm going to show you guys how it's going to be done the right way and the wrong way. And the wrong way, hopefully you guys learn from my wrong way. Well, hope you guys see the rest of the journey. You guys take care.